Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be playing Animal Company. This is going to be my first ever video playing Animal Company on my channel. So I hope I do good with Animal Company because I love it. I may even feel so generous of it to make my own Animal Company video account. So yeah, I have a Gorilla Tag account so my normal account, which is what I'm posting this on, is my main account. I could post anything on it, but I mainly would post the stuff I want to do, like normal VR games. And then I have my Gorilla Tag account where I will always post Gorilla Tag because I normally never post Gorilla Tag. And so it's just something that if you want to look out for me playing Gorilla Tag. And I have an Orion Drift channel. And we don't talk about the other one I have. It is dead. I don't use it. So so there's technically a new Office update that I'm going to be checking out. Before I check it out, I want you guys to join my fan code. It's Pug135. It's Pug135 for almost anything I have, like Eat, Find, Seek, Animal Company, Gorilla Tag, all that kind of stuff. That's my fan code. I always join it for my videos, but right after it gets 2 out of fan, I'm just gonna join it right before my videos, and may even get some of you guys in it. So let's get into the video. So I guarantee The Office is the elevator because they released the elevator as a sneak peek, but. Okay, let's go, check it out anyway. What do I want? I have a grappler in here, so... Okay, so here, I have, these. Grab one of these. You grab this if I need it. I'm gonna grab this. I heard there's an ore back there. Wait, before I check it out, I just want to do something. So, is there any new items? Shouldn't buy these. Should've. Whoa! Yo, I haven't played in a couple minutes. In a hot minute. So, I didn't know these exist. I don't know. And a nut shredder. What's a nut shredder? Instantly destroys items and store their value. Can be sold to redeem the store value. Okay. Box fan. Blow items or friends away, can be attached to your back to generate propulsion. Okay, that's cool. And we have a massive backpack. Oh, it's just a reskin. Okay, I'm gonna find the nut shredder. A clover umbrella. That looks cool. Hold on, I'm gonna go find a nut shredder and see if I can find it. Okay, so I actually found both of them in the lobby, and this is insane. So basically, this lets you up like this, but it could also shoot you up if you do this. It said it could blow away items too. It can. That's cool. Okay, and the nut shredder, it shreds stuff. Oh, let me put this back in. It shreds stuff. I'm pretty sure that nut right there, I'm pretty sure is made from somebody else. I'm pretty sure if let me put like a bag in there. It does. That was not there before. So basically, I'm pretty sure if it's filled, you could sell it or keep it. That's like a rare item, I'd say. Okay, I want to go check out the new update now. Here, let me hold it in the actual gorilla. Let's go check out the update now, because that was really cool. I just want to get into the video already, because I can't wait to check it out. So I hope it's over here. Okay, do I have a flashlight? Okay, let's check if it does. It works. Open up. That thing scares me. Okay. Let's see what this introduces to us. Whoa! I was not expecting this. I don't know why I just went right in. Oh, wait. Is that that's for Elise. I can play that on my piano. I don't know. What? Is there anything else? No. This is insane. Look at this. I wanna... That's another elevator. That might be the exit. Yo, what is that? What is that? Yo, wait, it's coming over here. I see this light. What is that? What is it doing? Excuse me. Oh, what's over there? There's a bunch of new items. What's over there? I don't want to get in this. It's probably evil, because everything that exists in here is evil. Whoa, 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 whoa! What is that? I'm gonna wait. I gotta wait till it's gone. That's definitely evil. Okay, I think I can go. Go, go, go. It could fall. It followed me. Is it broken? What is that, Mark Zuckerberg? Can it not go this way? Is that? What if I kill it? I think it's stuck. Okay, what does it drop? Whoa, a shotgun. Is it loaded? It's probably. Whoa, I don't own them, so I'll put this in my stash. Wait, but which way do I go? Hopefully there's no employee guy, because that'd be scary. It says like next box. It looks like next box, so I think. It seems tall. It's scary. Where am I? It's right here. What is this? Yo, what is this? Source? What is this? Yo. What? This is insane. Duck? Wait, there's ducks? I forgot. Is there ducks in this game? What is that? Wait, I feel like I should remember that, right? I should remember that. I feel like, because I'm recording. Should be able to remember that. Okay, do I get rubber duckies? I'm scared. What? Yo. What? Nah. What? Yo, an elevator. Hold on, I want to see that guy will come. Nah, I'm going down. I'm scared. Where am I at? Fire? Fire exit. Yo, what? Oh, that's loud! Excuse me. I hate you. You still there? I didn't. Yo. He can't fit through here. Hey, you can't fit through here. Hey. I killed him. Are there multiple? Yo, why did my light turn off? I never. Oh, what, purple ore. There's duckies? I think I've already... Hold up, wait, no, these are ducks. We might need... We might need these. I'm not gonna collect them like this. I don't wanna collect them. They're ducks. We could do that in another video. I don't know if the gold... What? What's happening over here? If you're over here, I'm ready to fight. What's over here? Another elevator? I'm running into a lot of elevators, bro. Wait, what? Do I remember this place? I'm back at the start? What? Wait, that's what that... Ah! He's gonna get me. Oh, he can't come over here. Get elbozoed. He died. What's this? Pogo stick? Falling. Going back. I don't wonder. Is this the same place or am I just tripping? Falling. No, this is the same place. Okay, let me just check. What if it's a mimic? Nah, it's definitely the same. That's cool. Oh, yeah, I got a shotgun. So yeah, I think that's gonna be all for this video. I don't really know what else to do, honestly. I'm scared up there alone, especially alone, and I don't want to make my videos too long. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it right there. And make sure to like and subscribe down in the Discord link in the description. Join my fan code and heaps. Gorilla Tag, Animal Company. I'm in Animal Company every time I record a video, or before I record a video. Sometimes I will record. There's people in there. I'm in it right now. Make sure to in Yeats I'm always in my thing before I record too. In Gorilla Tag, if I record in there, I'm always in it. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe in the Discord like I just said, and have a good day. Make sure to play Animal Company, it's free. Just so you know, I've been playing this game for many months. A lot of months. I've been playing before the Anglerfish came out. So yeah, peace out and make sure to have a nice day. Bye bye.